Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
MLA jong kasen Kongres na rangsa kona constituency Zenit Sangma. Haka jingkren bat ka Batisi TV haka khatnyau terek mentau nailar arajar arpo. Ula kentho jori ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapo ka jelam jong Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum menteri rangba. Kamtam haka baidai bat ka jing menjor dangshen ka Sarkar ban bakle ya ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited ban shem ya karam da ka pisa ka bakot Syahajar laispa sahusan poin hanyu pu ar keluar tingka na ka ANB scheme. Uniu MLA ubadan hakaliang persya ula bu jengkeli ya ka Sarkar. Bahatu ka MEECL kan yo jingmentoy mo na kane. Handai mano ban yo jingmentoy. Ka jingmentoy hi kan nongben ya kitu ki ba airam namar kin yo biang ya ka pisa jongki rengkat kasun. Komjo ka jingmentoy ya ka NIPCO ka NTPC bat ka OTPC ki ban sayo biang ya ka pisa jongki. Zenit Sangma ulaong batang kasut ka bahab ban siyo kalong khandai 0.1% ka bamon kasut ha ka shipnai kan poi palat shipho klor tingka. Kumta kani kan sabu ha ka jing ya ka MEECL bat kumba kalong menta ka paushai ya ka jing teko penyat kam ha kani ka company. Zenit Sangma ulaong ru ba kumba kalong menta ka stage 3 bat stage 4 ki ba penmi boarding electric lipo megawatt menta la sistem kim shem na trekam shu bat kalong ka jing tu nong ka bakrau haba kremla ban pentre kam yang yaki ka bakot sa ka jingdu nong ka ba laipun reu lak tingka ha ka shipnai bat ha ka shipnai ka jingdu nong kalong shipho point prak klor tingka balada khen ha ka sisnam kalakot palat spa klor ka jingdu nong kumta Zenit Sangma ula bo jingkeli yo menteri rangba ka ni ka jella ringkat yo menteri ubakmi ya katnat ki kam boarding katno ka jinglot ban maramat ya kini ki jaka penmi boarding ha ka balaha ban ya pen ba ka jingdu nong palat spa klor Zenit Sangma ula keren ru halor ka jingbam tre kamshu ka leshka project ka bapenmi boarding 10 megawatt ka balawon ra ya ka jingdo nong arpusan lak tingka ha ka shibnai.
Whatever I have submitted before you, in my submission everything is clear. I think whatever supplementaries you are putting forward has already been covered in my submission. No, I said before it was not less than the rank of principal secretary or additional chief secretary or chief secretary himself or herself used to occupy this post. It's just joint secretary. I don't want to go into the qualification and all. I think it is understood.
To increase the efficiency of the holding company, that is MECL, and try to make it self-sustainable, independent and befitting to give justice to the people of the state.